Hey there, Supercoder! Today we're back with the next part of our rock, paper, scissors game. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, go check it out first. I've put the link in the description for you, because without that, you might get a little confused here. In the first part, we made our buttons work. When we click them, our player sprite changes the costume with a cool little move. So first, when our game starts, the player should always begin with rock. So let's grab the block Switch Costume to Rock and click it. See that? The costume changes to rock. Cool! Now, when should this happen? When the game starts, right? So we'll add the When Green Flag Clicked block right on top of it. Next, we need to set our variable RPS to R because our player is starting with rock. So grab the block Set RPS to R and put it there. And one more thing. When the game starts, our player hand should stay in one fixed spot. So place your player hand where you want it to be, then grab the Go to XY block. See how the numbers change? That's your hand's new position. Finally, let's make the player hand point in the right direction. Use the Point in Direction 180 block. Perfect! Now our game is ready to begin with rock. Let's try it out and see what's happening. The code we just added only sets the first costume of our sprite. But after that, when we click again, we want it to switch back to rock. To fix this, go to the rock button and add Set RPS to R. Then add Wait until not mouse down. Where do we put this code? Remember in part 1 we made a custom block? Inside that, you'll see an If mouse down block. That's exactly where we add it. Now do the same thing for all your button sprites. Let's test it out. Cool! It's working perfectly now! Alright, Supercoder, now let's make our bot player. First, duplicate your player sprite and rename it to bot. Move it to the other side of the stage and make it face the player by setting Point in Direction 0. Next, rename its costumes to Bot Rock, Bot Paper, and Bot Scissors. Now let's make a new variable called Bot RPS. Time for some coding magic. The bot sprite needs some changes. Unlike the player sprite, our bot doesn't choose rock, paper, or scissors when we click buttons. It will choose randomly. So grab the block Set Bot RPS to pick random 1 to 3. Click it. See? The value changes randomly each time. Let's say 1 equals rock, 2 equals paper, 3 equals scissors. Cool, right? Now let's turn those numbers into letters so we can change costumes. Add an if block and say, if bot RPS equals 1, set bot RPS to R. If bot RPS equals 2, set bot RPS to P. If bot RPS equals 3, set bot RPS to S. Perfect! Now, just like our player, we want the bot to always start with rock when the game begins or during the shake. So grab the block Set Bot RPS to leave empty and place it under When I Receive Choose. Then add Repeat until not bot RPS equals empty, and inside that, switch costume to bot rock. Let's test it out. Awesome! Your bot is ready to play rock, paper, scissors with you. Now let's decide who wins each round. Go to the backdrop code area. Create 2 variables, player score and bot score. When the green flag is clicked, set both to 0. When chosen is broadcast, add a forever loop and check the conditions. If RPS equals R and bot RPS equals P, bot wins. Change bot score by 1. If RPS equals R and bot RPS equals S, player wins. Change player score by 1. If RPS equals R and bot RPS equals R, no one wins. Scores stay the same. Duplicate these and change for the paper and scissors combinations. And that's it, Supercoder! We just built our own rock, paper, scissors game from scratch. Literally! Test it out, play with your friends, and see who's the ultimate Scratch champion. See you in the next video, and until then, happy coding, Supercoders! Bye!